Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
So, young Kwasem Chichunchi and Opekra Afro. Now, just want to generalize a particular issue with Nan Conquer just e-blocks and Kona, but the issue of uncompleted projects, abandoned, projects, bia aban foforo bi ba aban dada no adwuma bi o hya ase obehu na bia se adwuma no ayese akanwurem na esi honom seya na ese na tete pro they've been talk about some hospitals hospital project bi NDC hya ase ebi krabo na ebi akra fi o manpanyi dada kufu abreso na da so si ho there even this Saglami housing project e-blocks aba Nancy Yamete, Ebem said, Togbi afede brana, Mampanyi Dada John Mahama. Corner, thank you to Ebem Sukupi, Honomusena, Togbi can't be, which I think said for me, Minini Abjin Pass, Ebem said, Bread to say, as on my crown, ye Timmy Yam Rebia. Thou criminalize more or less Sadi we say, Bia, project, obey a my biaba, a baby aba. Now, project no, to say, pro Ghana Council near the year, na. Ye bi okra akobo besia that's why I say na ye nya ho hwe dia na oka Kofi ani nia togbi afede krakan Senate ma
yo mini amedase wo bisami me nko a ehia se ye be ye mra bia mra no wo already se ye ntoa enyuma no so ewe ye constitution nia aka aira wo all this discussion no any ye moral persuasion, the moral responsibility, any yen vocal discussions are ebeba out of that program. My member example. When him say Mampeni Rollins, Nana Bresu ye program be a friend National Mobilization Program NMP. Ye mobilizing for purposely to target local needs via Eboa, and it was an employment generation miss. President Kufoba and I chose our program if you go. And after some time, no, you be introducing NYEP, National Youth Employment Program, in place of National Mobilization Program. President Mills Bedi Adieno on say it is sisa any say program yasha say yen cutting free or na yen ko share ye as a foforo and yadia ebeboaye. So he made sure say NYEP no ye ni yi ema ejinaye ema ye mra bebre ye de mra ko parliament to have the legal backing to improve our program no eno na ene abedani Youth Employment Authority emra etechi so offer health insurance with a pilot scheme from President Rawlings in the time through President Kufuor the implementation of the mutual health insurance scheme. President Mills be picky up national and with improved laws and legal backing. Again, school feeding program, President Kufuor Edebaye. President Mills by no who say idea papa. Enya dia say yechumo. Nanso maybe realignment of schools, schools dia anka ye school feeding na come on. They say a school like Achimota. Why do you go and give school feeding in Achimota school? Abra schools be prayer wo maybe a ehia one palm wo. So there was realignment and increased numbers. Meaning when him say ye didn't come efa social intervention I must say President Mills and now NDC by omumeye hwe. When him say sana of Saka say ya omukano, we should be responding to them all fast together. Say there be here say whoever be go adia will be a share nia ehia say ubeye ni anipa no ashase no ubeye ni yi. That's what the country should be looking for. But conversation with TMP before they be and a mobile and social intervention be na moye. Meanwhile, all these so-called interventions, NDC ebedi adie no and omuye then improving all these interventions. But people don't see the value of improving interventions. And the Akwakwa say, Abain party biba abenimo na ono aye den omo etwetwa programs a abandada oye no mo akoye omo de foforo so that because of this accusation say who complete maybe yemfa no say e-blocks are obi beka say John Mahama ne project who ko complete sadia obi beka say any project but enkasa suban no na late president Mills no person ye free ye na brabonum okay the gang of 4 rules later it became gang of 8 funding bia na enka ho GOG funded. President Mills took it upon himself to secure funding to make sure that those projects were implemented even though President Kufuor and initiated our program without any secured funding. One can say, oh, no, he continued. That is the spirit with which we expect, say, all government must operate. Now, the moral persuasion, the moral conversation around initiatives of presidents and our governments, I would say, yet was in a way that we expect. Problem here, and that is why I took time. Say me more some examples of things. Yes, President Miss Nigeria say, I didn't know say you go National Youth Employment Program. Now maybe you program for you bet to my and then I didn't know say you could go mutual health insurance. Now your friend with the fofo because obi no shasi. You bet to my and I didn't know say
Kofi I get a sense nyame hu ni say nia okay nti ase ni bia me nyane kwakwa say ya so timemfo no first of all ye hia ncheche bia na ye hia bibia ba me ye hu say saade we obi hia ase a esi etimitu ase your mind dia na nkwankwa say bia amanyofo no mu na mudi kan na bia say okay ye MPP ye na shaade we ye ndisi ye na shaade we ase na nkwankwa esa because ekoba ne saade another means okay MPP for say omoba no mo ka say ye na chance mo NDC dey social intervention program and okay ni ebegu nu kura na enso akwa ye de
exactly sa suban no higher because of that type of conversation and yama higher and that is why
how do you get out of it zene be fees ade we
well eno na ebi mo ka say we should have a national development agenda for example say o man no ye ya adwin say the person ye rail line from Accra maybe Burkina, Ubefa Eastern Corridor, maybe Akuswafa Central through Kumasi and the rest. And Afibiano, Yemfa, maybe 500 kilometers and Kahu. Afibia 500 kilometers and Fankahu. Whether Abain A, Ana Abain B or Abain C, Oba, Ubian say.
Na nya no ne ye set up National Development Planning Commission as a DA Ana Govi.
Of course, ewo ho na so nhihia omoye no na afede omoye omudie wi a na political parties no esan kwa akoye omo manifesto separate from omo manifesto so no yemfam free national development NDPC proposal plans no eno nti na obetie party manifesto say yebesi harbor wo Cape Coast yebesi airport wo Cape Coast na echi no Omabeka say, oh, maybe you promise harbor, you promise landing site, and a harbor class, you promise ya, and yadia, imagine me say, idea or say, yeah, harbor, because harbor be water crowdy, a big smaller one, this or Elmina, and so all these kind of things will be avoided. The national development agenda, you to say, okay, we want rail, but the next 10 years, you know, Afibia, yemfa this. Mileage and Fanka. Uba abem na yema with the resources. What is the now went to man 500 kilometers of rail and meka one. Now you will say umbody. So it is no longer an initiative of President Adodanko Akufo-Addo and our President John Dramani Mahama and our President Akosua Buaji and our President Kofi Adams. A minor agenda. President Kwesi Abuaji or say or they be maybe 2,000 kilometers of rail Ebeka Afibia 500 Afibia 500 all be in the fourth term no how many kilometers no the abeka? Was he able to do the 2,000 that is expected an hour? Yes, sir. We use that to measure him, not about one or initiatives our program. Or mine, in secondary school, do say, and Afibia, you see this number of secondary schools properly so spread. And the President Akusia Bwajiba, how many secondary schools now out of the number? How many NOTMC? Universities I will say, Yajia to say, this number of technical universities are now creating this number of departments. And the Afibia, you say, President Eiba, Ahina, Otumibeye. So that this whole concept about initiative, Eiba, I could see Obama constituency says here. The predecessor, interventions be was saying you might be as me imagine say, I'm not going to initiate a new program unless maybe an agent BBSC, disaster BSC, I will say, until I have seen to completion of some old ones.
Okay.
Because consistency in this scan, I will say, and I had the program. So maybe they say, oh, I feel the maba for friend, my mission new projects. Maybe new project and the mean yes, can be now only the Enosun I shall say that Enoswaka because we have a lot of abandoned projects from previous MPs in an IJJ. So I don't want that to happen. And I would rather put a little library in completing those ones are Ababedru's AGCB. Then we will use them for the good of the people. It is in that spirit. And I am for Bibria or any Ghana for Bibria say projects, Papa Dia, maybe as like a major educational intervention like the e-blocks, that ye pequimbi, Eddie Astoli projects, Obetina, school, no location, no yet, na location, we run and confirm to me, Nanti, and so all these kind of flimsy excuses. What is the state of those ones? They are being used. So, my compare any flimsy reasons to abandon projects and not to take projects serious. Every project there are pull and push factors. Who we school now? Who be perform meko? But men say, oh, the school is located in the bush. All kinds of reasons, or more we hear all kinds of unjustifiable reasons to delay the continuation of such projects. And me, anyone in your dream, I think that your mind is sick. You're making sure say you be avian on time so we can utilize those facilities.
Utie Oha Echi Pongno Needs FM.